This video shows the Gravelgraph IS400 using a diamond engraving tool, engraving into black laserable steel. We're not using a laser to do this, but just a diamond tool. Here you can see we're engraving the background in relief engraving so that the picture of the mountain goat will stand out. This machine uses ball bearing lead screws. I've taken the cover off so that you can see inside the machine, and if I can get a better picture here. This shows the ball bearing lead screw moving the machine back and forth. There's a ball bearing lead screw for each of the three axes of the machine. The ball bearing lead screw uses a recirculating ball bearing nut, and it's very precise, allowing the machine to be very accurate over a long period of time. This particular machine is about 9 years old, and it still engraves as good as the day that it was new. The machine is made of aluminum castings that are all machined on a CNC machine, and that helps provide vibration control. And here you can see inside the machine again, the spacing on the linear guideways is quite wide. You can see the one in the back and the one in the front. They're approximately 6 inches apart. That gives a wide base of stability for the machine. Again, there's recirculating ball bearings that roll on that linear guideway to ensure accuracy. Because the machines are made on a CNC machining center, they're square and accurate and precise. The spindle of the machine, here I've taken the cover off so you can see the spindle motor in the back, and the pulley here. We're not using the rotating spindle at this time, but there is the ability to put a cutter in the spindle, and the depth nose on the bottom, and you can use this micrometer adjustment to regulate the depth of engraving if you're cutting deep into plastic or into metal. We're doing a double hatch fill on this particular logo. We're hatching it at 45 degrees and then coming back and hatching it again at a negative 45 degrees, so you have a diamond kind of a look on the hatch fill that we're producing. The smallest characters that we can see here are 30 thousandths of an inch tall. I don't know if I can zoom in on that. If I could zoom in on it a little better, you'd see that they're perfectly formed, and I just can't focus on them that close because they are so small. You actually need a magnifier to read it because it is such tiny engraving, but if you look at it closely under a loupe, they're very, very precisely formed letters. Here we're doing a second pass at the opposite angle so that we have a diamond type hatch fill in the background. Again, this is the Gravelgraph IS400 precision, professional, industrial grade engraving machine.